Assessment 1. Why informed handling and validation are important in a web development, particularly in terms of data integrity and security. Handling validation is crucial elements of modern web development primarily because they ensure both data integrity and security. From a main from are the main way user interact with web application, whether submitting login credentials, sign up, or providing feedback. What are what are some key Laravel features that help prevent security vulnerabilities such as SQL infection are and cross-site requests, foreign CSRF, and handling form data. The Laravel offers several built-in security features that make it easier for developer to protect the applications from common threats like SQL infection that CSRF attacks. Number 3, to explain how would create a basic form in the Laravel using the blade template and handle its submission in a controller. Include an example how would you define the validation rules. The Laravel's validation check in if the data meets a specific rules. If the validation fails, that user enter redirected back in error message automatically handled by the Laravel. How you can customize the validation error message, improve the user experiment experience in the web application. Provide an example how you would customize that design validation error message in the blade template. Customizing validation error message in the Laravel enhance the user experience by the making error feedback clear and more friendly and relevant. Default error message are function, but they can be or overly technical. Personal message ensure that user understanding when wrong and how it fix it. Number 5. What are the benefits are in centralized validation logic and Laravel application, and how does that contribute the maintainability of web application? Centralizing validation logic in Laravel improve the maintainability and readability and scalability and web application. Laravel offers can clean and organize, organize why to handle validation through from request classes separate the validation from the control logic. Assessment 2. What is the role of middleware and Laravel annotation system, and how does the help project rotates and resource from unauthorized access? Middleware, middleware and Laravel acts as a filter for HTTP requests. It's a check condition before allowing access to specific rotates and resource from monetizing monetization monetization middleware like Authons ensure the only logged in source can access protected routes. How does Laravel build in authentication system? Handle user registration and login include that manage the session, tokens, and validation input data. Laravel builds in authentication like Breeze, GStream, and Fortis. 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 Manage that user and registration login and with secure default and validation user input. Email passwords. Create user records. Ensure and stores watch passwords upon success and login. Next. Explain out important security measure like SQL infection prevention and XSS protection in login and registration form. How does Laravel assess and prevent these vulnerabilities? Prepared assessment include prevent SQL infection, automatic automatic HTML and escape in the blade template to block XSS. Input validation to sanitize from the data before and process. How you how you how you how would you create and apply customized middleware in Laravel to restrict access to specific routes based on user roles, such an admin-only route. Run pth at Aristan make middleware check admin. In the middleware check in the authorized user as in a admin roles registered and middleware and nk10.php. In terms of scalability, how can Laravel's automation system be adapted to handle growing number user and request? Give example session managed to token based of authentication. Session drivers like reads to bait or database can handle more concurrent user compared to file-based session. Token-based authentication via Laravel's Scantum or Passport allowed for API scalability, especially in mobile or SPA apps. Rates limiting and queue management help control ununification related traffic and background progress, and the load balancing and synchronizing session store and ability and horizontal scales. Assessment 3. Hi. What the what are the key steps involved in implementing by create operation in Laravel? How you do build view and form handling play to a roles in this process. To create operation in a Laravel in parts of code, create, read, update, and delete workflow and allow the user and submit the data to be stored in the database. Explain the importance of data validation and sanitation in CRUD operation. How does Laravel ensure security and when handling user input during this operation? The data validation is ani- anicitation and critical in CRUD operation to ensure only safe, clean, and expected that shared display and or manipulated with the application. Describe how you would implementation of the read operation in Laravel created to display data from database using both controller method and a blade view. The read operation in the Laravel allow to create display data from database. This operation technical involves depending routes, controller methods, and blade templates to present the data user Laravel. What is the purpose of the update operation in Laravel? How would you handle form submission, unify existing data entries in the database? And the update operation allow user to modify existing record in the database. The Laravel in process involved fetching in the record, displaying it in a form, and validating the change and save the update data. Have you can have you have you how you can ensure that the delete operation in the Laravel is secure to prevent accidentally to recognize the data removal and rules doesn't validation in this process. The delete operation removes records from the database. However, deleting that can be dangerous is not a properly secure. The Laravel provides the way to ensure that data deleted action intentional authorization and authorized. Assessment for what is the proposal Google reCAPTCHA and how does it enhance the security web application when integrity forms? The Google reCAPTCHA in security service designed to protect websites from spam, automated abuse, and monetization. Both its primary purpose is discussing between human users and automated system. Describe the processing obtain the registration replica site and secrets key from Google. Why it is important of the update of obtain domain when moving from localhost to production environment. Integrity to Google's reCAPTCHA into web application. First step to obtain the site key and secret from the Google reCAPTCHA service. This key allow your interaction with forms and processing straightforward but requires carefully attention to plain configuration, especially when transmission from development local host of production. How would to integrate CRAPTCHA into Laravel Farm? Outline the step from installing the necessary package to adding the reCAPTCHA filled-in form. Integrating Google reCAPTCHA into the Laravel form in the integrated way to protect the application from stamp boot and automated views from the process involves several key steps. Choosing a reCAPTCHA version is installing the Laravel completed package in sys coding case, updating from the view, and handling validation of controller. Explain how the validated reCAPTCHA response in Laravel, what the role do reCAPTCHA secret keys play in this validation process. The validating Google in reCAPTCHA response in Laravel is a critical step in ensuring that form submissions are made by real using not automating involves confirming that user successfully passed in CAPTCHA challenge. Then that have customizes error message from the failed reCAPTCHA attempts inform using user experience provides an example how you would recapture how, how you would handle recapture errors in Laravel controller and explaining security features in like reCAPTCHA with in the web application. Development. It's important to balance projects and smooth user experience, while a CAPTCHA helps define against both in spam users sometimes failed and challenge due to expired token, clicks, and or connective issues. In such a case, providing customized and user-friendly error message greatly enhance over interaction with application. Why customized error message matter? A default error message such as a G reCAPTCHA response failed is required can be good to technical or everyday user. This message may confuse user do not you understand when wrong or how to fix it. By customizing the message, you can offer the guidelines on the user need to next, reducing from the autonomy of increasing successful submission. For example, friendly, please confirm you're not a robot before submitting the form. Unfriend reCAPTCHA responding and is required.